What is going on, guys? This is Johnny of Computer on YouTube, and welcome to the first ever update video on Sigma Protocol, a game I'm currently developing. So, this is Sigma Protocol, a game developed in the Unity engine, and this game is a survival game. So, it also has zombies and all that in it, and it's kind of based on DayZ, but at the same time it's not like DayZ at all. This is a totally unique experience, and this is something I wanted to do for really quite a long time, and I've always planned on making this game the game I always dreamed of, and this is kind of the early or alpha version, or pre-alpha. This is pre-alpha version, so don't even take this as the final product or anything. It's actually kind of the build where everything can change, or is going to change in my case. So guys, don't take this as the final product at all. Just thought I'm going to show you what I've been working on for the past 2 weeks, and in those 2 weeks, just the weekends were actually where I get to work on this game. So I'm not really that far with it. At the moment, this is a development level. The map right here you see is actually going to be like 20 times as big as this little area right here. Okay, so while we're playing it, I'm just going to tell you a few things about this game. So this game is going to be kind of an open, it's going to be an open world survival game. It's going to have randomly generated events. So I don't know, as an example, if you have a safe spot or anything, then you can just, well, you can have bandits or attacking your base or something. I don't know. Also, this is going to feature crafting. So you can craft your things and basically put barriers or traps, and to those traps I'm just gonna tell you that there are gonna be noise traps, so you can have like tripwire, and if anyone comes close to your base, it's gonna set off an alarm, so a basic alarm, so then you're gonna be alerted whenever someone is close to your base. So this is also gonna be a multiplayer game, so you're not gonna play alone. You're gonna have servers, and people can join your servers, and they're gonna be up to 30 people, I guess, and you will be in this very big map. Again, this is not the map we're talking about here. This is just a testing map, kind of, just for me. Actually, the map is called Test, nothing else. And as you can see in the bottom right, it says Development Build, and that is for a reason. Also, this is gonna be updated pretty often throughout the kind of development thing, so it's gonna have a closed alpha and a public beta version. This is quite a good feature. And yeah, enough talking, I'm just gonna show you the game right now. Alright, so this is not really gonna start off, but hey, it's the testing map, right? Okay, so this is one of the buildings which will be in the game. This is actually the first building, or not the first building, but this is the only building which I'm done with currently. But I'm gonna add a lot more buildings, and also this is gonna have a kind of spawning system for these buildings, so every time you're gonna make a new server or launch a new map or anything, it's gonna be at a totally different spot, so you never know where the buildings are, which provides you provides the player with a totally unique experience every time he plays it, so it's never gonna be at the same spot, which is quite cool. And yeah, so let's take a look and try to find some loot, because loot is also awesome. Yeah, loot is awesome, but loot is also randomly generated, so you never know where you can find things. So, oh, so there's an apple. You do have hunger, and at the moment there are no actual bars which represent the hunger, but I'm gonna add this in the future again. So you have a few basic weapons. So as you can see right here, we have this 1911. And you can already shoot with it, and you can reload it, but I don't have actual. Oh, well, there's ammo already. That's convenient. So now we can just reload, and you can see this reloading stuff and aiming down sights is working currently. Okay, we have some more loot. This is canned beets. There's the tomatoes, and you can pick all of them up. Let's see, anything else? No. So yeah. Sigma Protocol, you might be wondering about the name. Well, this name I'm gonna tell you later, because It's kind of part of the story, which I don't really want to reveal right now. But you're gonna be kind of discovering the story. And yeah, let's see. Anybody? Let's see. Maybe. Oh, there should be a There should be a zombie. Yes. Okay, because I spawned one zombie in this building. And again, random spot. So, oh, also, we have another weapon working right now. And some weapons spawn under beds, so you kind of are forced to look for these things, or you're gonna miss them, which is kind of bad. So at the moment I have a lot of ammo, which is definitely not gonna be what we're gonna have in the final game. But you can shoot with it. You have all the animations done and all that, and we have this beautiful sun flare up here. And all the weapon scripts and all that are working right now. You can sprint, you can also crouch as you can see, and you will be able to prone as well. You can jump, reload, and all this stuff is working. And now whenever someone is coming to you and says, well, drop your weapons, blah blah blah, you can just hit G and you're gonna drop your weapon, as you can see. So you can drop all your weapons, and then you can just crouch and you can kind of say, well, I surrender, you can take all my stuff, and please, I want to be alive and all that. So, this is currently not added into the game yet, but I'm going to do this pretty soon. You can see we can switch through the weapons, we can also holster weapons. Right now, I do still have this weapon on me, but I have it holstered. Same with the AK, I can just holster it, like that. And yeah, that's how it's working right now. Okay guys, so this was the kind of really early look at this game. I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated. Just to tell you, this is also community powered, so I'm not gonna be implementing any features you guys don't want, so just leave it in comments and all this, and I'm gonna really implement this feature and all that. Just leave suggestions and ideas of improvement and all that down below, and I would definitely read them and consider them to like kind of add them to the game. So this is going to be one thing which I'm definitely going to do. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next update video.